No one in my family works in the financial sector. My parent works in farmer and younger brother it in school. Yes, I spend a lot of time learning English every day because it is useful and very important for my future. Yes, I have a friend who is quite similar today, uh, similar Taylor Swift. She name is Link, and she is talented, confident, and very creative. I brought a small bag on my last trip. I used it to hold my phone and money and camera.